Everyone knows jollof rice and everyone knows gizdodo. We love jollof rice and we love gizdodo. Both of them individually, they are very, very nice meals. But have you tried combining them? Guys, I made this meal yesterday. It was really, really good. It's basically just jollof rice and gizdodo mixed together in one pot. So you're going to start by making your gizdodo. Boil your gizzard till it is very soft. And when it is soft, you're going to take it out, cut them into smaller pieces. I always prefer bite-sized pieces so that my spoon can carry one and just enter my mouth. And then you're going to fry it. You're just going to fry it lightly, not like you're frying it very, very dry. Okay, they're going to get some plantains. You're going to dye some plantains and fry those ones also. Go ahead and reduce the oil, and then in the same pan I'm going to add in some onions, some spices, and then some pepper mix. This is just pepper and shombo. Okay, they're going to season it. Fry this mix, and when it has fried properly, you're going to pour in your gizzard and your plantains. I also added in some of that gizzard stock to loosen up the base for me. I covered it and I allowed it to cook some more so that everything will enter everywhere very well. Finish up with some diced carrots and green peppers, or even red bell peppers or yellow, anyone. So on a normal day, we're going to eat our gizdodo like that. It's ready, maybe with white rice. But for this one, we're making gizdodo jollof rice. So you're going to set it aside and just proceed to cook your jollof rice. I believe that everyone knows how to make jollof rice now. Abi, who doesn't know how to make jollof rice on this page? Hands on the air. No hands, right? Everybody, if you're on this page, you must know how to make jollof rice. I have several recipes of jollof rice on this page. I use tartar rice for my jollof rice because I just love how this rice increases in quantity after being cooked, and I had like a lot of mouth to feed with this meal. And then when my rice was ready, I poured in that gizdodo into it and I mixed it. And guys, when I tell that this meal was nice, see, if you know how nice gizdodo is and you know how nice jollof rice is, you believe me. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you tried this. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.